Hey guys! Good day! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my God, hindi ako makapaniwala na second video na to na i-upload ko. And for today, we will be talking about on which platforms you can apply as a virtual assistant with or without experience. So, before I dive into showing you guys the platforms where you can apply, I would like to talk about first the importance of understanding na mag-a-apply ka directly sa iyong client or you will be applying sa mga virtual assistant agencies and they will match you with a client. So first, let's talk about ano nga ba ang mga possibilities if mag-a-apply ka directly sa client. So if we say that you will be applying directly sa client, you will be looking for your client. Okay? Walang HR, walang virtual assistant agencies na gigitna between you and your client. You will contact them directly. So, for me, my personal take on that, if you are new in this industry, I don't really suggest for you to have a direct client agad. Because since you are new to the industry, the chances of you committing mistake, sending outputs na mali, you not meeting the client standards, the chances are really high. And we all know the downside of freelancing or being a virtual assistant. If the client doesn't want to continue working with you in one snap, they can do that because you are an independent contractor. Wala kayong pinirmahang kontrata ng kliyente mo na for 2 years doon ka. It doesn't work that way. Though, ang pinakamaganda talaga doon is salong-salo mo yung sahod. That's it. No BS, okay? Because if you will be hired by a virtual assistant agency, of course they have their cut because that's their business. That's how they earn. They will help you and they will earn. Of course, hindi naman yun libre, sis. So, if you will be hired directly by a client, the only thing na nakikita kong positive talaga is buong-buo mo makukuha yung sahod mo. So, if they offer $1,200, for example, okay, don't quote me on that, $1,200 for monthly salary, sayong-sayo yun, sis. Iyong-iyo. So, let's talk about if you will apply on a virtual assistant agency. For example, you get hired. Okay, so what will happen? Some virtual assistant agencies, they offer trainings. They offer trainings, some are paid, some are not. And then once you pass the training, they will match you with a client. They will be looking for a client for you. And what I really like being employed on a virtual assistant agency is that, for example, nandun ulit tayo sa same example ko kanina. Hindi ka pa ganun kagaling. May mga nagagawa kang kapalpakan, may nagagawa kang mali. Even though your client will end the contract with you, the agency will match you with another client. Especially if they see na hindi mo naman totally sinasadya or hindi mo totally mali yung reason kaya in-end yung contract. Pero syempre, kapag mga kunyari, natulog ka during shift or umabsent ka ng 1 linggo, ate, kahit sinong agency naman, 'di ba? Syempre, hindi ka natutulungan. But what I love about being hired by a virtual agency is they will train you, they will hone you, they will guide you, and they will be there for you. Ikaw, sila yung middleman between you and your client. So, somehow, hindi ka nag-iisa. Iwan ka man ng kliyente mo, you're not floating because you have your agency. So guys, now that you know the difference of being hired directly by a client or being hired by a virtual assistant agency, let us now talk about saan ka nga ba pwedeng mag-apply. The first platform I strongly suggest talaga and I super duper highly recommend is LinkedIn, for you to create your LinkedIn account. Okay, so I will try to flash here how my LinkedIn profile looks like, and we can connect there. You can try to connect with me, and of course, sino ba naman ako para hindi tayo mag-connect in LinkedIn. So, why is your LinkedIn account important? Aside from this is like your professional website, you can get a lot of opportunities from this website. Kasi I am planning to create a different video talking about on how you can create your LinkedIn account. So, you will see na dito sa part ng LinkedIn, meron kayong part dyan that you will highlight your skills. Now, after you highlight all your skills, LinkedIn will be recommending jobs for you. So, you will get a lot of opportunities. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng alamin lahat ng virtual assistant agency sa Pinas, girl. 'Di ba? Hindi natin makakabisado lahat 'yon. And when I check TikTok, when I check YouTube, karamihan ng mga virtual assistant agencies na nire-recommend nila paulit-ulit na lang. Unlike with LinkedIn, makikita mo na itong mga startup agencies or mga startup businesses na to na naghahanap ng VAs, na may miss natin yon. Kasi nga, hindi kayo gumagawa ng LinkedIn account. See, my email earlier yung Finlash ko, sobrang daming email from LinkedIn, huy, na nagre-recommend na mag-apply ka dito, check mo to, check the opportunities here. So please don't overlook LinkedIn because it is a very, very powerful and helpful platform. Now, let's talk about onlinejobs.ph. So far, I can attest to this platform because a lot of my direct clients came from this website. This is legit. So far, wala ako naging scam na client here. Wala naman yung like nambudol or whatsoever. So, ayan, I can super duper recommend onlinejobs.ph. However, you also need to make sure that you will create a very good profile because once you start browsing jobs here in this platform, the clients will be looking at your profile. Okay, so you need to make sure that you upload a very good quality of photo, your bio, your professional experiences are all listed there. And we all know online jobs. We don't need to talk about this platform kasi we all know na lahat naman tayo familiar na in this platform. And it works very simple. You just need to create your account and then log in and then you can start browsing. We're almost done and we will be talking about the virtual assistant agencies that I can personally recommend. Why I can personally recommend? Because I had experience working with them. Some of my friends worked with them and I really heard a lot of good feedback from these agencies. I will flash their website here in the screen and I will attach their website on the description box below. Now, the first agency is Bruntwork. I can super duper duper recommend working with Bruntwork. The stability, the payment, okay, I never experienced delay in terms of payment with them. The management is really respectful. They always have an open communication between the management and the employee, and the work environment is really good as well. The second agency I can recommend is Phyllis Song. I think this is a very underrated agency, but again, lahat nung nabanggit ko kanina, working environment, stability, never na delay ang payment, yung respect between the management and the employee are also there. So, super recommend ko din si Phyllis Song. Third is My Outdesk. So, with My Outdesk, basically the same. So, kaya ko sila nare-recommend lahat kasi I had experiences and I had testimonies from other people na lahat kami same experience yung na-experience dito sa mga virtual assistant agencies na to. And again, their websites are in the description box below. You can check it there. So they have job openings na pwede for virtual assistant na wala pang, if you are applying as a VA and you don't have experience. But some of their job openings, for example, na mga job openings that they require experience would be an Amazon VA. If you will be a bookkeeper, they will be requiring someone with experience. So those are just the few job listings na meron sa mga website nila na they are requiring someone with experience. And with these agencies, as far as I know, some of them provide training. I'm just not sure if it's paid or not. Again, it's better for you guys to check it yourself, because in this industry, change is the only constant thing. Maybe today they are providing training, maybe next week they will be providing training on different kind of jobs na meron sa website nila or sa kanilang agency. So we can't really tell. So it's better for you to see it yourself, okay? So again, those are the tips I can recommend on how you can apply and where you can apply as a VA with or without experience. So I hope this video will help a lot of my aspiring VAs out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!